So in the last lecture, we talked about section 46, and that was filing of IGM or bill of entry?
Bill of entry.
Bill of entry. Bill of entry.
Yes, that was making of entry. And making of entry means filing the bill of entry. And when you file the bill of entry, this bill of entry is related to home consumption or warehousing.
Both.
So this can be both, right? So bill of entry filed under section 46 can be either for home consumption or it can be for warehousing, right? So bill of entry may have to be filed once again if you have filed the bill of entry for warehousing, right? So when you file a bill of entry the first time after the import, then that is always under section 46, right? This can be either here or it can be here. When bill of entry is for warehousing, therefrom you can remove the goods for different purposes, right? So after this, there can be again two different situations. Under section 68, you can file bill of entry for home consumption. Or under section 69, you can file bill of export, right? So this will happen when you file a bill of entry for warehousing. If it is a bill of entry for home consumption, no further documentation is needed. Okay. Now, whichever bill you file, which are the most important documents? Documents with bill of entry. What are the documents which are required to be filed? And even before we talk about that, why some other documents are required? The purpose is facilitating correct assessment, right? Now, for assessment, what is needed? For correct assessment, assessment means what?
Value.
Tariff classification.
Classification.
Assessment is determination of the amount of duty. And for that purpose, you need evaluation, you need a classification, you need to have knowledge about exemptions. Everything is part of assessment, right? That is part of assessment. If you say valuation is assessment, no. Determination of duty, yes. But for determination of duty, what is required? Multiple things are required. So all the documents which are...
To watch full video, join online batch weekdays 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Call Tail Institute.